At Visionaries, we create extraordinary experiences based on augmented and mixed reality. For our next-gen spectacle lens, we decided to create an experience based around the idea of recuperating reefs around the world and how do we bring people to a place that they've never been before. My name is David. I'm a co-founder at Visionaries 777. I'm actually a wildlife enthusiast, and one of the things that I've seen happen over the years is the loss of wildlife in this kind of complex ecosystems. That's where the idea really took off.
Hi, my name is Nico. I'm a lens creator, and my role is to overlook at the technical aspects of Save the Reef.
Lens Studio is a sandbox for us creators to make AR experience in a simple and easy way, but with so many possibilities and capabilities.
What we like about the tool is the ease of deploying the experience and be able to try it super quickly. Anyone can pick it up, especially artists.
Our creative process always starts with understanding the limitations of what can be done with the hardware we're working with, in this case Specs and Lens Studio.
Something really important for us to implement is spatial audio, so to make the user even more immersed into our story.
Augmented reality is a very powerful tool because it really brings you closer to understanding the challenges that you may face in the physical world. We hope that we will bring people to a world that most people have never seen and to really just connect to a place that definitely will affect our lives in the future.